Hello, credit repair experts. Welcome back to another episode of Mike Explains It All. I'm Mike from Score CEO. Today, we're talking about CAN spam compliance and why it's crucial for your credit repair business. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As a credit repair business, building trust with your clients is essential. One way to maintain that trust is by ensuring your email communications are compliant with the CAN Spam Act. This U.S. law sets rules for sending commercial emails and protects consumers from misleading and unsolicited messages. Compliance is a legal requirement, and non-compliance can lead to hefty fines, legal challenges, and serious damage to your reputation. Let's break down the key provisions of the CAN Spam Act that you need to know. Unsubscribe mechanism. Every email you send must include a clear and easy way for recipients to opt out of future emails. You're required to honor unsubscribe requests within 10 business days. Accurate header information. The from, to, and reply to fields must accurately represent your business. Misleading information is prohibited. No deceptive subject lines. Your email subject line must accurately reflect the content of the message. Deceptive subject lines are a violation of the law. Physical address requirement. Every email must include your business's valid physical postal address to ensure transparency and legitimacy. Commercial identification. You must identify your email as an advertisement, though this can be done subtly if it's clear to the recipient. Now, why is this especially important for credit repair businesses? Your clients rely on you to handle sensitive financial information, and they expect transparency in your communications, whether you're sending promotional emails, updates, or notifications about disputes. Complying with the CAN Spam Act helps build trust and protect your business from fines or legal challenges. The consequences of non-compliance are severe. Fines. You could face penalties of up to $50,120 per email that violates the CAN Spam Act. If you're sending thousands of emails, these fines can quickly add up. Legal challenges. Non-compliance can lead to class action lawsuits, significant legal fees, and even injunctions from the FTC. Reputation damage. A tarnished reputation can hurt your ability to attract and retain clients, and you could see a loss in referrals or face negative reviews online. How do you stay compliant? Using a credit repair business CRM like Score CEO can help automate many of these compliance tasks. A CRM can handle unsubscribe requests, track email performance, and ensure that your emails meet CAN spam requirements before they're sent. Some best practices to keep in mind. Ensure every email includes an unsubscribe link and your physical address. Avoid misleading subject lines. Train your team on CAN spam compliance and how to use your CRM to stay within the law. Staying compliant with the CAN Spam Act is critical for protecting your business, maintaining trust with your clients, and avoiding costly penalties. By following the best practices we discussed and using tools like Score CEO, you can ensure your credit repair business remains compliant and successful. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to take your credit repair business to the next level. Until next time, this is Mike from Score CEO, signing off.